to 5 Minutes of Science with Molly. On tonight's show, we will be talking about the transport of oxygen through the systems of the human body. We will cross over now for the full report. The human body is made up of 6 different systems: the skeletal, the nervous, the circulatory, the respiratory, the digestive, and the muscular systems. These all work together to create a greater functioning system, the human body. The circulatory system and the respiratory system allow oxygen to be transported around the body to the places that need it for cellular respiration to create energy for the body to function. The journey of oxygen to the organs begins when a person inhales air from the atmosphere. This air is mostly made up of carbon dioxide and oxygen. The gases are drawn into the mouth and the nose and move down the respiratory tract, which is made up of the larynx, the pharynx, and the trachea. The gases go into the lungs, where they are transported from the respiratory system and into the circulatory system. The gases move down the bronchioles and into the alveoli. The alveoli are surrounded by capillaries. The semi-permeable membranes of the alveoli and the capillaries allows the gases to pass from the alveoli to the bloodstream. The gases are now in the circulatory system and are ready to be carried around the body by the blood. The blood contains red blood cells. Red blood cells have an oxygen-binding protein called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin contains 4 heme molecules, which allow oxygen to attach to them loosely and irreversibly. Hemoglobin molecules that are attached to oxygen are called oxyhemoglobin. The oxygenated blood flows through the pulmonary veins and into the heart. The blood comes through the left atrium of the heart. It is then pumped through the mitral valve into the left ventricle, where it is pumped through the aortic valve and into the aorta, which is the human body's main artery. Here the oxygen is still attached to the hemoglobin molecules in the blood. Arteries are elastic vessels which carry blood away from the heart. Arteries contain one-way valves which ensure that blood cannot flow backwards. Arteries branch out into smaller blood vessels called capillaries. Capillaries surround parts of the body that need oxygen and nutrients. Blood flows through the capillaries, which have semi-permeable membranes which allow oxygen to be transferred from the blood and into the parts of the body that need it when the oxygen molecules detach from hemoglobin. Oxygen is used for cellular respiration. This is a process where glucose and oxygen are combined to produce water, carbon dioxide, and most importantly, energy. This energy that has been produced through cellular respiration is used for the function of many parts of the body, such as the digestive system. Another example is that this energy allows the contraction of muscles, which allows our body to move. The blood is now deoxygenated, and the veins carry the blood back to the heart. The blood enters the heart from the inferior vena cava and the superior vena cava, which are the main veins of the body. The blood then leaves the heart through the pulmonary arteries, which carry the blood back to the lungs to be oxygenated again. I hope you enjoyed our show tonight, and don't forget to tune in next week. Thank you. Good night, Australia.